Today we are going to show you how to install the JXL Cam. I have already installed 2 of them on my phone already. So we're going to install the third one now. So as you can see right here, it's the JXL Cam. We're going to click on the plus sign. Then we are going to add camera. Make sure that your Wi-Fi is turned on right here. This is the password and everything right here. Then we are going to click next. In this side right here, in this box, we're going to click on this right at the side. This goes to the Wi-Fi. Now what we're going to do to connect the camera, we're going to disconnect the Wi-Fi. We're looking for the camera connection. This is the camera connection right here. So we're going to click on it. As you can see, it's connecting right here. So it said connected without internet. Keep Wi-Fi connection, so you click on it. Then we're going to go back to the camera itself, and right here we have the code. This is the code for the the camera. Then we're going to add the camera. Right here you can see it's pairing, so it's connected.
Connection successful.
Yes, connected. When you hear that sound, it's connected. It's registered as well, so we're just going to wait a little more while. Well, yes, next. Then you will see camera code, camera itself, and the password. So we're going to click on next, and there we have it. It's the third one right there. It's the third one right here. Yes, and after all of this, we will go back on the Wi-Fi now. We're going to reconnect our own Wi-Fi. See, it's connecting here. We're going to go back on the camera now and click on it. And there you go. It's working, as you can see.